North Carolina again. Seems like we've been working down here a lot lately. Today we're starting a pond project. Started the day out getting the machine good and heated up. The engine's warm, so now I'm just going through all the range of motion for the hydraulics. Once the hydraulics warm up, the machine's smoother and it's easier on the machine itself to operate. You don't want to go out to a machine in the 20s and just start digging. Some guys will cycle through all the range of motion 3, 4, 5 times. I just do it until it starts getting smooth. Once I get this machine warmed up, I brought the machine over the other day, but watching the weather, we were supposed to get a good freeze last night. Usually when it rains, it's not a good thing, but since we got a good soaking rain in, and then a good freeze, I know the ground's going to be hard, and I can track across the lawn here and not tear it up. And that saves me from having to repair it once we get done with the pond project. Today we're just going to be, the guy tried to build a dam himself and he did pretty good. He had the right idea, but there's a few things that I'll point out and address once we get over there that he just didn't really know some of the fundamental things. You know, you can build a pond for swimming, and he was wanting to keep koi fish and goldfish, and right off the bat, one thing I noticed is the pond's just not deep enough, and it's real easy for the herons to land and eat all his fish up. So once I go over the pond, I'll point some more of that stuff out, and we'll get moving with this project. Alright, so we are approaching our pond here, and you can see right off the bat how soft this dam is. It wasn't tracked in or anything when it was first built. Oh yeah, that's soft. Soft, 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 soft. So, we're going to help these people. I have to make a different approach here. Super soft. And you can see right there where the dam is washed out. And that's just, you can have crawdads or whatever bust these dams. They'll burrow through them and they'll start a little 1-inch hole. And it just is downhill from there. He tells me that the deepest part of this pond is right out here. That's as deep as it is. So that's not nearly deep enough for a pond that you're going to keep fish in. So we're going to go ahead and get this sucker draining out. You've got to think about what you're wanting to keep in a pond. If it's just a swimming pond, you know, it still needs to be deep because everybody's going to want to jump in it. And but for fish, they've got to be able to hide from predators. And seek safety, or you're never going to be able to keep fish in it. So we're just going to bust this dam open. That's some pretty good dirt right there. I think it probably just didn't get packed in good. And this dam also doesn't have an overflow, which I gotta decide where I'm going to put that. Just when it rains, he showed me pictures of this thing, and I mean, he's got a lot of water coming off this mountain. So we're going to have to get pond set up right. So we'll check in once we get this thing a little closer to flowing. Simply busting the dam open, so we got a pretty good little current going. The only reason I don't go ahead and dig this out a lot deeper real quick is you'd be surprised at how much a little bit of water like that will blow a dam out. So we're just going to be patient with it and do this at a nice easy pace. That is a lot of water. We're going to make this a really nice little pond. I'm thinking that we're going to put the drain, center drain, right in the middle of the frame there. He tells me that's the steepest part of it. So I'm going to run back over here to the machine, and little by little we're going to keep digging this spillway deeper to get the whole pond to drain. Come back here either late this evening or tomorrow morning and see how much it's drained down and move forward with this little project. Well, I've just got to be a softy. I'm probably going to go knee deep in this mud, but I'm going to try to save a goldfish. Fish rescue. Koi fish rescue. We saved him. In you go. There. I tried not to drain every bit of the pond for that reason. That one just didn't. It drained too quick for them to get out from under that heavy green covering. So save that koi. I'm gonna stand here for a few more minutes and see if any more come up over here in the shallow area. I was wrong. Only went ankle deep. See what else we can find. Lord knows I'm not much of a tree hugger, but I hate killing more than I have to. So I'm gonna stand here for a little while, see if we have to rescue any more.